I said it, I'm going to meet this sleeve here. I said it. Let me get enough so that I will give to Soccer. Because you need this app too. Atete, you are going again. You are going again, Atete. See, I know you are going now to go and check other people's trap. Atete, don't brush my trap. Don't go to my trap.
Oh, Balagway, can't you greet?
Because I know this early morning now, my trap must have given me a lot of meat.
Add the one you talk to. Add the one.
Atete,
don't damn it. Do you know how many meat my shop cash this morning? Where will you never go again? Hey, you still go.
Atete, how many times did I call you? Atete,
Man, boy.
If you like your trap cash 100 meat, me, I don't care. All I'm saying is that Atete, don't go to my trap, Don't go to my trap. We all know you in this village.
I will deal with you. You get trap.
No, don't worry now.
Your ba, your mama for this village. We know they. How kill now?
We will know.
I'm going to get trap. Wow, what does it?
Don't brush my trap,
Which family? Go. I will deal with this village. Nonsense. What, bro?
Don't brush my trap,
Grab trap. Okay. Very happy. The great ancestors, thank you very much. Una do well. By the day I sold all these clothes, I'll be in money. I get it, Gatti. Hey, he goes Sakwa.
Tete, the great farmer. I must greet you.
Aziga, look me up.
No!
The great hunter.
No! I am Aziga.
What nothing do you? You are too much. What? If you have again, all is well. Oh, I'm seeing you now. You are going to the bush.
Exactly.
You and this your bush. One day, one person will kill each other. You kill the bush, or the bush kill you.
It's not my fault. It's what my ancestors sent me.
I know. But remember, as you are going now, don't set your leg on my trap. Don't go near there.
We trap!
Because I'm expecting 2 antelope and 2 elephants. Don't near there this morning.
Are you the owner of the bush? Are you the owner of the bush? Atete, answer me.
Don't go near my trap. Or else you will know me.
Or else what, Atete? I use the gods that planted those animals there. Atete, don't dare me. I am Aziga, the great hunter.
What will you kill at that? What will you kill at that? Nothing you can do.
Aziga,
I'm warning you now.
I am Aziga.
Hey.
Atete, don't dare me.
Small body, bone person. Don't tell me, oh.
I didn't blame you.
Don't tell me.
It's because I stubborn and created
if you have
nonsense.
Okay. If you have what the hell again? People are trying me.
To me.
Me at that.
Rubbish.
I will deal with you. It's not about 90. I will deal with you. Listen, you know what to do.
Mama. Welcome. How did it go?
Mama, it didn't go well at all. I thought throughout the night I get one sitting.
Again?
Yes.
Ah!
I'm confused.
Okay, my son. Everything will be okay. Things will be okay. Please. Don't worry.
I'm over here. I'm over here. Sit down. We need to talk. You see, I'm over here. I don't understand what is happening. Every night, I keep hearing strange voices from you. What I keep hearing is how you pronounce the language. Haku, haka. Haku, haka. Every night.
Shut up your mouth. No, that way. Oh, no, you have a what?
I'm over here. Do you realize I'm the audio way of this community? Eh? So, how can I marry a wife I cannot control? You speak every time, the strange voices, and yet you don't want to talk. Do you travel out from your bed at night? Eh?
Oh, shut up your mouth now. Eh? Shut up your mouth. So you mean because of this nonsense you called me out of the house this morning?
Do you realize that I'm the audio way of...
Shut up! Oh, I'm away. Is it your husband you are insulting? I'm aware. Let me tell you, all this one you are doing is against our rule.
Ah. Hey, I said it. I don't understand. What rules?
Hey. Kaka. Leku kakaka. I'm aware. We shall see.
I said it. I'm not safe anymore. I'm not safe.
Shut your mouth, you stupid husband.
Hey! I'm not safe in my house again. That the woman I'm married, not shouting. Haka, every night. Ha! Spirit of my fathers, please come to my rescue. Hey! I'm finished.
Greetings, Owe Uso. You sent for me. Iyore.
Father. Father. Walk here.
It's since you were sleeping.
Yes, Father.
Get a seat for Aziga. Aziga, sit down.
Greetings, Aziga.
How are you, beautiful maid?
I am fine.
My daughter,
Father.
it seems I woke you from your sleep. It is well. Go back to sleep, my daughter.
Thank you, Father. Who is he?
Look, my daughter. Aziga.
Owe Uso.
It is well with you.
Thank you.
Aziga, as you can see, every other village around our village are prepared. And you are the greatest hunter in our village. So, I discussed with my elders today that you, Aziga, will have to represent us in the Hunter Festival that is forthcoming. And I know we shall always depend on you. Aziga, what do you think about it?
Owe Uso. Thank you for this great privilege given to me to serve my people.
That is a great one. It is well with you.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Aziga. Aziga, as you can see, I want our village to be made victorious in this forthcoming Hunter Festival. That is why I summoned you.
I, Aziga, the great hunter, of our land. I promise you, also, I shall deliver.
Aziga the great hunter. You see, I can always back on you. Aziga, I want you to do me a favor. You see that my beautiful daughter, Uwadiae, she has come of age. I called her out so you can see her. As you can see, remember that any great hunter that made it victorious and made the winner of from this festival will be made to marry the best lady in our community. And if my daughter eventually becomes the wife, that means it's a great opportunity. Only know where it living, what did you heavy.
Oh, where Uso? I, Aziga, the king of the forest, I shall do as you say.
Yes, Aziga, as it is, I will have to pray for you. I present this to you, that this kingdom shall become victorious in this forthcoming Hunter Festival. Aziga. Thank you very much. Aziga. We are now great heroes.
Yes, Owe Uso, as you can see, the masquerade is prepared to enter the dancing arena. I and my sweet girl am prepared to embark on this evening journey.
It shall be well with you.
Thank you, Owe Uso.
It shall be well with you, Aziga.
Yes, this is a victory.
This village shall be made victorious in the forthcoming
What happened? Tell me what happened! Why cannot kill any animal? Why? Why? I am Aziga! What is happened? Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama. The animal is running away from me. The animal is running away from me. Mama, they are running away from me. I don't know why. The animal is running away from me.
Suggested that we send Aziga, the great hunter, to go and represent us.
Ejosa,
Truly, you are the son of a great man. Your father
was a great ruler in this community before his demise.
Oh,
I can see you are following the footsteps of your father. That is a great suggestion. Aziga is a great hunter. I know he will not disappoint us on that day. Yes. Edosa, you know what you are going to do for me? You are going to send for Aziga to come here.
Other way, I will do immediately.
Thank you. Right away. Thank you. Edosa, it shall be well with you.
Other way, I talk to you.
Yes, indeed. We have the greatest hunter in our community that every other community don't have. Aziga is a great hunter. I know. That is good. That is good.
Of our land, give us peace and harmony.
My husband. You are here.
Amowi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Amowi.
My husband, I want to discuss something with you. Let me get this seat.
What is it you want to discuss?
My husband, I almost forgot about the Hunters Festival. It's around the corner. I just remembered this afternoon.
That is what we discussed in the meeting a while ago.
Aha! The good news then.
Yes. We are planning of coming victorious in the festival. I know with our ancestors from the gods, they will sure make us emerge the winner.
But my husband, this year, I want the honor to be ours.
How?
I want our daughter to win.
That is should be the prayer of every parent. I know I have a beautiful daughter. She has come of age. But one thing, that we must have to teach her the way to go so that she will know what she's going to face. She will be a major winner.
He said, but my husband, everything is still in your hands. You are the winner. I want my daughter to win. Oh. This year, I want the honor to be mine this year.
It is well. Our fathers are with us. My daughter will become victorious.
He said...
Where is she?
She's inside.
Okay. Now, go and meet her. As soon as I leave here, I want to take my evening meal.
I'll just go.
Asomana boye avabu ihuo sise na na daso ina be ga denia ina be do huo e ba van ke baba na gbagbe me ihuo sise na nenia le kuku la kuku katu emi owo o ke ga de yo sise na Aziga go mi me emi owo o ke ga yo sise na gbemuri owa ita ene runda awe ene bo Benin na Ikuoyogie le kuku katu.
Uncle, you sent for me. Yes, I sent for you, my son. You know I am your only surviving uncle.
Exactly. Your father is dead.
And by right, I'm not your father.
Exactly.
In my revelation, I saw that you killed somebody. No! Please, my son, be very careful while hunting. Please, Send my greeting to your mom.
I will. Thank you, uncle.
Agriculture, the botanical name of this plant is called rubber daun. This is what I will teach them tomorrow, and I'm going to teach them how to cultivate more on agriculture. I told the president to cultivate more on agriculture, but he refused. What are you two hydraulic uglies doing here?
You not fear. You flog me. Ojo way picking for that matter. You never see. Don't red for you today. Don't red for you. You are going nowhere. You flog me through my body. You show the same.
So two of you hydrochloric symbolism came to block me on my way.
Now they speak English for us. You don't tell me to hear this one.
Let me tell you something. Back then in America, there was a student. I flogged him. And do you know what the student did? He bought me a car.
That one America. This one now. This one Ojo way picking for this village. That be not know. See me Ojo way picking. You want to use this place? You want to do where?
Are you talking to your teacher?
I say me you need done for them.
Okay. We can settle this.
Yeah, kneel down. Settle what?
Let's
settle what? See my body, man. Settle what? Ojo way picking for that matter. You not fear because my kneel down for class. See my body. Everybody can laugh me. You know what thing? Teacher Ibe. What's the botanical name of Ezuzu?
You know, back then in the USA, they taught me that the botanical name of Ezuzu simply means one botanica make one Ezuzu. Two botanica make two Ezuzu.
You know? Yeah, you chop your hair. You know what thing? When next time we get you, money go. You know say we be Ojo way picking. Try us again.
Why are you looking at me? Go, we'll meet in the school tomorrow. Imagine these two symbolic elements told me to go down on my knees. I will deal with them in school. I will deal with them tomorrow.
You're welcome, the three mothers of the pillars of the night. Is anyone having issues here? I have. Then let's hear it. There is a lady dragging a man with my daughter. I want us to deal with her. You're welcome, my friend. That's so weird. I hear Jerry. How is your daughter? That one.
He's fine, and my son, I can't see him around.
Okay, my son, he went to the farm.
Oh, okay.
You know the problem we are having.
What is it?
Whenever my son goes for hunting, he comes back home empty-handed. He no longer bring meat at home. I don't know what to do about it.
That's serious?
That's what we are facing now.
But come, my good friend. You mean you did not apply that simple logic?
Logic? I don't remember. Can't remember.
Come here now, I don't know.
That is why I have you as a good friend.
What are friends for?
Oh, thank you very much.
Don't mention.
Thank you, my friend.
It's okay.
Let's come over now.
I will try to teach them part of species. No, part of the body in biology. Okay? I have part of the body in biology again, sir. the eye, the nose, and the hand. That's what I will say, so that I will not go and speak what I don't know again. Stupid students! This is money, and you people are laughing your nyash off. What did you eat this morning? You see? Why won't you be dumb? In America, we eat bread and tea. It makes your medulla oblongata open. Shut up!
Sorry, sir.
Better. Today's topic is biology. Pronounce after me. Biology. Parts of the body. Why are you laughing? Your brown teeth. Now, you tell me. Name one part of the body.
Me?
Yes, you! Now, name one part of the body you know.
According to biology, part of the body is all body.
Bunch of fools! You don't know part of the body. Don't you have your eyes? Is it not part of the body? Your nose, part of the body. Your hand is part of the body. Even your leg.
You must say, mommy, follow me. Now we want to marry you. You don't come.
Tell us the money goes. Who is this fool?
Come, let's go.
My friend, shut up.
He bought bread though.
Who is this fool?
I cannot. He must say, let's go.
My friend, go leave here. I said, you must say, leave here. Look at you. You don't move on and pray. You don't know anything. You want to get married. In fact, I'm done with you, student, today. I don't know where you all came from.
bait o.
Yore.
Shey you bait.
Of course I will.
Don't let it fall.
Osabe, what is your opinion regarding this Hunters Festival?
Yore.
Like, to me, I know I'm going to get the hunter. Look at the way you are seeing it as if it is certain. Osabe, I will be the one that will get the bravest hunter as my husband.
Yore. They didn't say it's for you alone. It's a competition, and I know I'm going to get him. So please, stop claiming you own everything.
Osabe, you're amazing. So let me tell you, I am already betrothed to the hunter.
Really?
Yes.
Who told you that?
My mother told me.
Your mother?
Yes.
Told you you're betrothed to the hunter.
Take it or leave it.
Please, you can leave that for the gods to answer. For me, I know I have the hunter to myself.
I have the hunter to myself.
Iyore, I have the hunter.
He's mine.
He's mine.
He's mine.
He's mine.
Iyore,
I would do anything to get him.
And I would do anything at all cost to get the hunter as my husband.
Watch and see. Please just go. Go home. They create the whole world for you. Why did you summon this urgent meeting?
Sorry, my fellow mothers. I never knew Osago, my daughter, was our victim. Please, temper justice with mercy.
In that case, it's either Osago, your daughter, died, or you will drop from your position.
No! I will rather drop my position.
So be it. In the next 3 days, your daughter will get well.
A child that says his mother will never have a rest, he or she will also not have a rest. And nowhere, you've started this game, and we shall see who wins. I've done everything for you. All you used to pay me back is evil. We shall see who owns the night. We shall see, Amowie. Ha kuku kuku kakakaka. Ha kuku kuku kakakaka. Ha ku.
Past 3 days, no meat. Okay, wait. How can there be a meat in this forest in any of my tribe when we have somebody like Atete in this village? Ojemyewo. In fact, let me get to the village first. I'm going to deal with Atete because there's no way he's going to deny that he did not come close to any of my tribes.
Is it not Uwadiae? This is Uwadiae. Is he sleeping? Uwadiae! So cold! What have done this? What have done this? Show yourself! Wherever you are! Show yourself! I'm not afraid of you. Show yourself right now! Chief, because of our life. John, we must hear it.
Aziga, kneel down. Let me pray for you. Spirit of our fathers, our ancestors, gods of our land, we plead with you to go before and after Aziga, and he shall hunt animals and not humans. He said, go, it shall be well with you. Aziga, the great hunter, I greet you.
Thank you, Owe Uso. I shall go and prepare for the oncoming hunter festival.
I told you. With Aziga, we have no fear. You also know that my daughter has also come of age. So we pray as the God make victorious and to become an angel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
family. Why are you screaming?
Where's my key? And my lights? I need to go in.
You no longer have a place here. I'm nowhere.
As you can see, your key and your light has been taken away. Go! Go!
No! No!
Oh, great mother, I'm about to embark on this journey. Please, help me. I will go and return with Alima, not you. Please, protect me.
Happen again, oh! Hey! Big one don't happen. People they don't die. People they die like foul. Oh, again, Mama, hear me. Good afternoon. You never hear? People they don't die. He die like foul. People they. You never hear say don't die. I talk and say people land where they start put every day by day. Go kill them. He don't know me.
Lare no peace one oh. People they died.
Exactly.
I saw him 3 days ago.
Exactly. Oh,
he's dead.
He's dead.
Okay. Go.
If a way come, tell her say I dey come back. Now I come knock for her. The full story. Bude is dead. You know say I procure knock my grandpa for Igbo land. I dey come back. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Wonders shall never end. My eyes shall behold good things. Before I forget, Iyore my daughter.
Iyore my daughter.
Ijotime, my dear, come on. My love, what's the best?
Today is August 25th.
That means the Hunters Festival is next month.
What Hunters Festival are you talking about?
It is the Hunters Festival. Hunters will choose their bride. When I mean hunter, the most powerful, the most handsome hunter in this village.
And the way you are saying it looks like something that is good and different.
This is my daughter talking. Dancing steps. You shake your backside. You shake it very good.
That is not difficult for me.
I trust you. And I was so happy.
Really?
Because in my time, I did it.
How did you?
No, not now. Not now. I have to walk on this next fest.
USA.
But my dear, EJ, you have to promise me something. From today's henceforth, none of your friends should see you dancing. You're going to keep your dancing steps a secret. Your dancing steps should be kept secret. Can you do that for me?
Yeah, I'll do that for you. Yeah, well, no. Let me quickly finish what I was doing inside.
I want to eat, my dear. Hey, my mom will say I will be able to. What a man. Mama, forgive me.
Oh, don't worry. I greet you. My great teacher. I greet you too. How are you? Well, I'm symbolic and automatically fine. My great teacher. The man with the highest vocabulary development. You my great teacher. You can't say that again. Where are you going to? Well, I'm going for a meeting. My teacher, please. I stopped you on the way because of my two wayward children. Those two symbolic elements? Let me tell you, do you know what they did again? The other day, when they were coming from the street, they beat up a man. What impetus? Please, I am begging you to use your office as their class teacher to discipline them. Are you understanding me? Beat the head of them, profando them, because government have given you the power. But don't worry, as you can see, those your children, they are very stubborn. They are extremely stubborn. What impetus? What impetus? Now, live here. Stupid boy. Beautiful. That is called discipline. Yes, that's how we want to train the student in this community. Hey, please do the same to my son. Government have given you power and authority to discipline any wayward child. I know, but not your children. I can't handle those your wayward and naughty children. As you can see, I was going for a meeting, and this meeting is very important. Ministry of Education meeting. And in fact, I don't want to sit there in my class again. Don't worry, I have to take my leave now. Anya, that means this lady on the Mary on the way side. Mad boy. I don't know.
Osagwe, have you not heard? Heard what? Yori, is there everything you hear in this village? Osagwe, don't tell me you are not aware. What? Right. The latest news is that my mother told me that the next Hunters Festival will be holding next month. That means you're participating. Of course I'll participate. And I too. Do you know what? I'm just practicing my dance step. The way I'm gonna dance, I know I'm going to get the bravest hunter. And who is not praying for the bravest hunter? Madam. I get it. I get it. It's for me. 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 Oh, you are here. You're welcome. How are you? Fine. How are you doing? So I've been looking for you everywhere. I came to see her. Yes. I left Panga at the farm yesterday. Please just go and help me to get it, please. Just that's for you. Join her. Children. Wait! Ije, what are you doing here? I've been looking for you since. Keep your greeting to yourself. And what are you doing with these two witches? Come and stand here. I came to see you. Move! Move away. What is the matter with you? You want to know what is happening you for? Not me. Listen, stay away from my child. And don't do this again. Don't ever send her on an errand. And you, daughter of a witch, tell you shut up while I talk. From today, I don't want to ever see you with my child. Is your no? If I open my eyes and you are still standing there, I will spank you. Oh yeah! How will stop this? They don't try to separate these kids. Why are you dragging these kids into a matter that they don't know anything about? They are kids, for crying out loud. Allow them to be. Stay away from this witch of a mother and daughter. I don't want to have them again. Don't separate these two children. Don't separate them. I don't know what is between them. I don't know. No.
Soon you will find out. And you. And then yes.
You boy. Here. Yes, my friend. Do you have any problem with my name? There's nothing. I don't know what is really hitting me up. I don't know. Is that bothering you? No, let's do this.
Edosa, you are welcome.
Long may you reign.
Thank you very much. Owe, Wato, my headers, I greet you.
Welcome.
What brought you here? You are not looking okay. Owe, some group of men just passed through the boundary. I came to ask if you are aware of their visit. Did I hear you say, or no men? Yes, or no men.
Well, I came upon a little bar. You get a attack. Say it quickly.
Say it! It's okay. None of this I'm aware of. Now, I'm sending you. Take some youth with you. Go and lay ambush on that boundary. Consider it done. Oh wait.
It's okay, you can go. A little bar to Miamia. Makame yata.
Adede, shut up your mouth. Six boys.
Adinwa.
Sit down.
Go to that. What have you?
You are out of your senses. Adede.
On a baba, even the attack on the attack.
Keep quiet.
And I remember now. I carry attack.
What brought you here?
Oh wait, long the cure. Inside I put you. Just that, la fao. Put the tell like that. You know put it now. You people day.
Adede. Which of the Ibude? We have many Ibude in this community.
What question? Ibude, you know that attract people land. Ibude.
Adede. Sometimes it baffles me that you don't even know the meaning of your name. Indeed, you are Adede. You are a liar. Owe.
Adinwa.
Ibude is alive. I left his house not up to 5 minutes before coming to your place now. Ibude is alive. Really? You see this fool? You are like your father. Atete. Generation of liars. Atete.
Oh wait, let me get it.
Did you see Ibude's scores? I mean, when you went about the hell.
Not really. So, ma, let it just say, neighbor, ya solo. There. And I go home. Run down, Magu. We are difference. Is that today? That tomorrow? There not there. He must die. The people that drag that a lot like a Buddha must die like that. Away, he die.
Atete, you know what you're going to do for me? Now, you go to Ibude's house. Somebody here, I want to see. Oh, don't wait. I agree with you. But Atete should go and praise the cause. That the head of vigilantes is not around. I would have ordered him to give his 2 latches of cane.
Oh, goofy.
So that with that, his senses can return back.
Lie, you lie.
It's okay. Atete, go now.
President out there, I will like carry him here.
Fetch him here now.
Hey, oh wait. Okay, let me go carry the body to here. I will do. You.
Atete, where you are? Oh wait. Don't mind that fool. As I was saying, the reason why I came down to visit you here this afternoon, before that idiot intrude, is because of our Hunter Festival. Hunter Festival. Yes. Oh wait, how do we go about it? Well, it is close, and I think we'll be preparing. We'll do it as usual. Oh wait, as for me, I would have suggested that we sent Aziga, the great hunter, to represent us.
Edosa,
You are truly the son of a great man. Your father.
Mothers of the pillars of the night, you are welcome. As you can see, we do not have a leader. Kozeki here dropped her leadership to save her daughter's life. So we need a new leader. So what's the way forward?
I Ekinado say, we vote Otasowie in as our new leader in this coven.
No! I am Mowie, supposed to be the next leader here, not Otasowie.
Why? As you can see, majority wins the vote.
You lie! You lie! Otasowie, we shall see who rules this coven.
I told you 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it's nice, yo.
Just watch me, You go now.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, I'm a master. Keep quiet. No, but you know you cost more than me. See, I can swim with the bar. I can swim. You see, can you do this guy? Come this way, please. Your mother, I told your mother that you are coming to me. Keep quiet. I don't want to leave her. Quiet. Okay. My spirit is telling me something. What's that? See. Don't play games here. We came here to bath. Yeah. See. I know we came here to have fun, but my spirit said that let's go. My spirit said that she's permanent this sport. She came about to do just that.
Wait up! What? I'm gonna miss you. Yeah. No. Please no. Mother, my friend. Your friend? Yes.
Your friend? What happened to your friend?
She just died at the stream. She died.
1 minute.
They break the pot on her head. And she fall inside the water and die.
Mother. Your friend died.
Yes, mother. Yeah! Mother! Yeah!
Yes?
Why are you acting like this? Someone just died there.
Wait, calm down.
Okay? It's not your battle. This is not your fight. Just leave everything to me, okay?
My friend.
I know she's your friend. Calm down, okay? Calm down. That issue is not for you, okay? You cannot understand until you've grown up. It's just a matter of time, you understand, okay? Stop crying.
Aziga, the hunter. Henceforth, I put a spell on you. You no longer hunt animal, but humans. So shall it be.
Aziga! Come!
Who are you? Show yourself! If you are not afraid, if you are a man like me, show yourself! Not with me! I am Aziga, the the great hunter. Show yourself.
Aziga! Aziga!
Stop! Who are you?
Master, that's Iyore. Iyore, what are you doing here?
No, that's not Iyore.
Iyore, what are you doing here?
That's not Iyore. They are not human beings.
Aziga! Aziga!
Iyore,
come!
Aziga! Oh! Aziga! Aziga! Oh! Aziga! Iyere! Aziga! Oh! Aziga! Iyere! Aziga! Oh! Aziga! Mana berwe! Oh! Aziga! Mana berwe! Oh! Aziga! Mana berwe! Oh! Amana yosisi gwina! Amana berwe! Amana berwe! God, we are not afraid. Could have begged for my anger. I am scared. No. I'm the king of the forest. No one dares to stand.
oh God, I'm finished.
Aziga, where are you?
Oh, I'm afraid though.
Aziga!
This idiot is calling again. We have to chase all the whole animal away in this forest. I asked him to stay and wait for me. Started calling my name.
Aziga! I'm coming! Wait for me! Aziga!
Aziga?
Yes.
Where have you been?
You have been shouting my name.
You keep still waiting.
Yes, because I asked you to wait.
I'm afraid.
I wanted to kill the animal and I tell you, you shout Aziga, you scared the animal away.
Don't be offended because I'm afraid.
I've told you, you are with Aziga, the great hunter. Nothing to you.
Kill.
Is that why you are panicking?
Yes.
With me, you are covered. Don't worry. Let's go. Let's go. Have you seen anything since morning?
No.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You thought me.
The queen of my heart.
Something told me you'll be coming here today, so that is why I had to wait.
Yes, because I've talked throughout the night. I couldn't catch nothing. I decided to say, let me say, I know this is your hour. You normally get the straight.
You are right.
Good. Is anything to you? Yes.
Something bothers me.
Like what?
Are you seeing another maiden in this village?
No! I can't mention some such thing to me. No.
Something tells me you are lying to me.
Iyore.
I cannot lie to you. You know my heart beat for you. I can't. Can't you see the look in my eyes? I'm already having the feeling that one day you will be mine.
Aziga, you know I am betrothed to you already.
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too.
And I cannot live without you.
Me too. See, I met your father 2 days ago. And he called me for the purpose of this Hunter Festival. Both of us discussed a lot. He also told me that it is my time. And I promised him, Aziga, I will deliver. You belong to me.
Aziga, let me quickly fetch my water so we can live together.
Don't worry. By tomorrow night, I'm going to give you a big elephant.
Thank you.
Mama, I can't find my gun. Aziga, my son. Is that why you are angry? Yes, now, Mama. I beg you, I kept it by the side of the cupboard. Cupboard? Yes, my son. Amowie, I can see your handwork. You have started operating. Abi, come, let me warn you. Before the cock crow, go and withdraw that your devilish handwork. Or else you will find yourself. Please shut up, my friend. Stop backing and shut up your mouth. Myself. You started this fight and I'm giving you back what you started. Myself. This is just the beginning. Until your son commits murder, I, Amowie, will not rest. Is that so? Yes. We shall see. I said we shall see ourselves. Please go and sleep, John. Alright, so we shall see ourselves. Forget that thing.
Oh, wait, I talk with you. I'll go for it. I can't come with it. You're going to the other way. If you're there, let me go. My elder, I greet you. You are welcome. Greet you. What you want? What can we do? You know the Hunter Festival is fast approaching, and all preparation have been put into place. Remember, we had a discussion some days ago on how we can talk to Aziga to represent us on this forthcoming Hunter Festival. The good news is that he came to see me last night. Okay. Oh, where I talk to him? And he has agreed to represent us. Aria? Yes. Big up the apple again. Big up the apple. Big up the apple. He put the dad. 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 I said, hold it. You have come again. Your useless attitude. Why are you crucifying a man who is alive? Somebody who is not dead. You are clamoring of his dead. You want to kill him? Oh, but I saw it. It's done. It's done. Sometimes I'm surprised. Please, let us ask this idiot to leave our prison. As you can see, this is the garden of elders, not of children. You are not lying. I saw it. It was a dog where it died. What have they done to you? Why do you want to kill him? See, I'm beginning to question this your character. Are you not a witch? What a matter.
That you not kill people before their death?
Oh, wait, I saw it. In farm. I'm not lying. You lying.
Oh, wait, oh, never. Oh, Aziga. Mia. Ìrírí ẹwà yà á tó yìí. Owó kìíní ọ̀rẹ́ gbé. Ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn tàbílẹ̀ náà. Gbẹ́ni ọbí ọmọ náà. Ó pọ́kọ́. Òwe. Ojú lè tọ̀. Ó wà tọ̀. My elders. You're welcome. Someone even dey catch one. I need to hear.
Bude.
Shall never end. Atete. If I find out that people is not dead, you will feel my wrath. Ah, where are you?
Something big has happened.
I thought you.
What happened? I met the lifeless body of a Buddha.
Hey! You saw it. I thought you. You saw a blind line. I thought you.
Are you sure you are telling the truth?
Wait. I cannot come with a fake news. I don't want my head to be chopped off.
Aziga kill it. Aziga kill it. I saw it. Oh wait. I'm not lying. I saw it.
Oh wait. Atete. How dare you? Lied against my nephew.
I'm not lying.
My nephew is not the murderer. I'll grab it.
You lying. I saw it.
Atete.
Wait.
Listen to me. Did you see Aziga killing people?
I do. I saw it. I saw it. Aziga kill it every day. When I saw, I saw it. I saw it.
Atete. Do not lie against the innocent man. If I find out Aziga had no hand in the death of him, what do you want to happen to him? Walk away. Oh, you walk away. Away. Take some other youth with you. I'll fetch me Aziga now. Consider it done. Away. Atete. What is happening? Whoa, what going on?
You I saw it. Move. Aziga, killer. Killer.
Aziga, the great hunter.
Owe Uso are great. Elders of our great land are great.
Aziga, the great hunter. I can't believe what you did is true. What have you got to do with the death of Ibude? Hey!
Also, I greet you. Elders of our land, I greet you. Don't kill.
Aziga, I ask you for the last time. What have you got to do with the death of Ibude? Speak!
Owe Uso. Okay, I'm just a man, not a murderer.
Adewa Hore, can you hear that?
He's a killer. He's a killer. He's a killer. He's a lying.
Enough, Atete. Now, Atete, tell me, did you see Aziga with your two naked eyes killing Ibude?
What I saw it. I saw it from farm. I said, he's a killer.
How can you deny this allegation, Aziga?
You are lying. Lying.
My fellow elders, Owe, I don't understand what we are, the matter we are flogging. My nephew here said is innocent. He said he's innocent. Now, Atete, how did he do it?
I saw it. I saw when I'm in front from. He carried it, neck, and twisted up and down, up and down. We kill it. I saw it.
Adia.
Manta.
Aziga, you heard him right before your very eyes. Why did you kill Ibudi?
Atete, you lie. You lie. Owe Uso. No me right from town.
Mataki.
All happened on that very fateful day. As I was returning back from my normal daily routine, I met Ibude, lifeless body. I decided to help.
Oh! Ibude, let me ask you. Did you touch Ibude at all?
Yes.
Hey! I thought you said me lying. I thought you said me lying. You killer.
So now tell me, why will you kill him? Where are we now? For what?
The woo.
Owe, as I said, I am an innocent man. I wasn't trying to feed the boss.
Aziga, tell me how you killed him. Go on. Atokwe. My nephew here did not agree to the crime. He only said that he was trying to help. Enough.
You lie.
Enough. Tell me how you killed him.
Atete. Why can't you tell the others the truth? Why? Accusing me wrong. Owe, I still maintain my stand. I have nothing to do with the death of him.
Owe, he's lying. He's not lying. Kill it. I saw it. Kill it. I saw it. You.
Owe Uso. Since Atete accusing me, Aziga, the great hunter, if I have hand for the death of Ibude, may I, Aziga, the great hunter, not see tomorrow.
I will confess. I will fear.
Where you fear now?
I will fear. I will confess. I can't know. I kill it, but I kill it.
I don't. Can you get your way? If I may understand you, so why did you kill him?
Oh, please, I kill it. It was the thief. It was the thief na meat all the time. I did na meat. No,
but maybe you will win. So you did this man, and yet you accuse an innocent man. Atete, go there. May the gods visit you.
I kill it. Even the dada. Four flat.
I said it, but nobody believed me. What about you are? This is indeed an abomination. That thing. Give him his gun. Get. Now, you Owe and the other youth, make sure you escort this idiot out of this place. Mama, you go, boy. Don't leave him until he gets to the pantry. Yeah. We are talking by you. You can go now. Go. Get as well. Oh, soon. Move. Atete. Stand up. My elders, as we can see, I think Atete here, we owe him an apology. Yes. Atete, we are very sorry. Now, kneel down. Let me pray for you. Of our fathers, our ancestors, gods of our land, we plead with you. Go with Atete wherever he goes. Be his protector, guide him. Henceforth, he shall hunt animals and not humans. He said. Take
Elders, thank you very much for educating me. I shall go and prepare for the upcoming festival.
I told you if you're ready. I told you. With Aziga, we are victorious. Exactly. You see, and don't forget, my own daughter has also come of age. Remember, yes, the hunter that a Benjamin who always married the best lady. Yes, my daughter there will become Milo. Thank you very much. What a great day. Drink.